We're gonna show you the weirdest stuff at Sema. Follow me.
What time is it?
Too fucking early.
It is way too early for this, but we're on our way to Sema, so I don't really care.
We're going to Vegas with no plan,
Yeah.
and we're just gonna wing it.
I actually bought this flight yesterday.
You wanna tell them the story of how we booked the flight?
So we're in the car on the way to Abushi. So we tried to book a flight earlier in the day, but they canceled Evan's other flight because of that. So Evan's like, now I need to book a second flight or a third flight. And so he's booking the flight and he looks over at me and he's like, is this right? And the date is January 1st. And I'm like, Evan, we have to go October 30th. And he's like, oh, hold on. And then 3 hours later, we had a plane ticket. Where the fuck are we going?
I have no idea.
We're just walking.
Yeah, we forgot to mention our flight is delayed an hour, but we're still here.
Yeah, we're still here. So we're gonna get food. I'm probably gonna get a beer and a Celsius. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, man.
Build your own omelet, $16. But if you want to add anything to your omelet, they charge you money. $42 later.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm. 7.
What?
Yeah, I could feel your presence.
Dude, you look amazing.
Thanks.
When you can't find Celsius energy drinks in the airport,
It's an airport. There's stores everywhere.
or you don't need to be awake on an airplane.
I don't want to sleep on the plane. What if it crashes? Yeah, if it's going down,
dude.
it's going down.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Now we wait.
What do people do when they're delayed for their flight? Edit photos.
This is not edited. This is a raw photo, alright?
And then there's that.
I have no Celsius. It's a transition thing.
What's it go up your nostril?
Alright, see you guys later. Okay, there's one.
First.
We got one. We got two. Alright. And there's number 3.
Vegas, baby!
I couldn't wait to get off that fucking plane.
It hit me now.
Look at that shitty.
We're in Vegas. It's pretty cool, huh? It's kind of underwhelming.
No, yeah, it doesn't get much cooler.
Sky, can you hurry up? God. I want to drive around Vegas, man.
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck you.
Yeah, that's these cars work out.
It doesn't work out.
Like, yo, it's a GX. We're at, where the fuck?
Bro, what do you mean?
Houston's Houston's Hot Chicken. Look at this. This looks gas. Look at that sauce, bro. 8 out of 10. Alright, let's see how the sandwiches, bro. Alright, look at that shit. Alright. 10 out of 10, bro.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm. Chick-fil-A has something to worry about, bro.
Cucumber, watermelon, something.
I got a beer.
Bro.
Yeah. Tenders? 8. Oh, good. I'm gonna go 8, 7.
I mean, that's a professional score. I appreciate that.
Thank you. 9-4. It's a little soft. I like crispy.
So good, bro.
So good.
Better than Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, absolutely. So we had a shoot planned with an Aventador in the middle of the desert, but he had to move the car into Sema, so we're here.
We're at plant. We're getting weed instead of shooting Lamborghinis. That's what's happening. Like, this might be cooler than Lamborghini in the desert.
Pretty large order.
I've never smoked weed in my entire life.
No, this is my first time.
Yeah, me too. I'm excited to try it. First time ever.
I'm Scott, Michael Scott. Gonna be $135 and 30 cents. He's that pain.
$100 less. We're looking at the robots now, right? Yeah, it's robots. Hey, nice. 3, 2, 1.
It tastes real nice.
Does it taste nice?
How open? Child seal confusing.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like asshole.
Not what we get in New Jersey.
They're so sick.
This is actually really sick.
Yeah, they are. They lasted us so long. That's gonna last you forever.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so nice.
Planes.
There's so many people in front of the Vegas sign.
Planes.
Yo.
Planes! Planes! Planes!
Helicopters. More planes.
Oh my god! Is Vegas just like a hotter New York? Dude, is it just trash?
It's worse than New York.
Oh.
This is pretty sick.
It is.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I've always actually really wanted one of these because I feel it's really cool. Like I would take this one right here.
I mean, you've always been a Ford guy.
Always been. I had 2 Mustangs, and I love them.
Yeah.
I regret selling, but I would happily trade it for this. Like I love this. I've actually always wanted to drive it. Although I've driven a Slingshot, I'm sure it's the same thing.
Yo, you said that out loud.
This brings me back. Matt, do you feel like you're in high school again, riding like passenger with me?
Oh my god, yeah.
Just not as cool and fast.
Yeah.
Other than that, same thing. Okay. All right, we're here at Royalty Exotics, and we just picked up a Lexus. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see what they have.
What's up? How you doing?
Let's go.
Matt, nice to meet you.
This thing is fucking sick.
Right? I love it.
Evan, you should ask her pricing for like a couple hours.
This thing is crazy. I know nothing about them, but they're like awesome. I just know they're like a race car for the streets. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Yeah. It does have a butthole exhaust. Let's go off the Huracan Evo over here. Top's just like stuck. We haven't done anything else but eat.
There's no cars involved yet. There's more planes involved than cars.
Food. Getting over there.
Dean just cleaned my plate after he cleaned his plate and his plate.
1/60 ISO 10,000 Primo.
It looks like shit right now.
I look fantastic.
It does look good.
It does look good.
$500.
Fuck. Oh. That's a nah for me, dog.
Happy for you.
No, it's stupid. We just bought $300 for fucking pants. 2 pairs of pants.
2 pairs of pants.
The reason we bought these pants is so we can match at events and be comfortable. Because Lululemon, nothing really compares.
Let's wake up in 4 hours for Sema.
Okay.
Part 2. I'll see you on the next one.
I don't want this.
We are at Sema. Now, normally people will show you the craziest, most beautiful cars, but we're not normal. We're gonna show you the weirdest stuff at Sema. Follow me. An exposed, wide-body carbon fiber Aventador that slammed to the ground. A Jeep Wrangler ice cream truck. This truck is massive and very chrome. A slammed Ferrari on bronze wheels. Your grandmother's Cadillac, but it's actually a Tesla. A Golf Blue Carrera GT on HRE wheels. I love it. A Ferrari F40 that's no longer red. Whoa. A Jeep Wrangler on LED wheels. It's a Lamborghini. And this. Need I say more? Listen, I've helped over 100 brands just like yours increase their followers and revenue using organic social media and $0 in ad spend. And I am giving away my step-by-step guide to exactly how I did it to the first 20 people who smash that link down below. So what are you waiting for? Let's go make some money and let's go gain some followers.